Hello, Ryan Borden here, aka Loopline. In this video I'm going to cover what Scrapebox calls the Platform Popularity Checker. So what is that? What it is Scrapebox is compatible for Fast Poster and Contact Form Poster with certain platforms. By platforms, Scrapebox calls them platforms, as you can see here. They also would be referred to as a CMS or content management system, such as WordPress, etc. And so we can see the list of platforms Scrapebox comes with. You can train more in, and it would work with ones that you train in. But this is the default list, so I could check off the ones I want and then put in my keywords and harvest for those. But I could also get a list other places if I harvested just with a custom footprint, or I purchased a list, or a friend gave me a list, or I downloaded one off the internet, whatever. So if I wanted to check to see which of those URLs are compatible with Scrapebox, I can do that. And I'm going to go into more list tools and platform popularity. Once I do that, I can start it, and we'll start to see as it populates the status down here, it's taking these 248 URLs I have loaded in here, and it's scanning each one to find out which one's Ard Guestbook, which one's AcoBook, which one's WordPress, etc. We see percentages popping across here, and then we see a counter as well. When we're done, we'll be able to export just the data, so the name with the count. So like 4 images is 1, Advanced Guestbook is 5. I can export just the data of the count and the name, or I can export the actual URL. So I'll be able to say, okay, that URL was that platform, that URL is that platform, etc. And I will show you here shortly. So I'm going to pause this, allow it just another moment to finish up here, and it is done. And it looks like 12% was WordPress, 12% was Ard Guestbook, and then we can see just one here. It's sorted everything in descending order for the count and the percentages automatically. Now that we're done, let's do our export, and this is the data one, the top one. So I'm going to call it, I'm just going to give it this, so we'll see why in a second. Call it whatever you want, but this export as text, friendly name and counter, that's going to the name and the counter, and then the actual URLs based on platform we can export here, and let's stick them in the same folder. Let me get this folder pulled up. We've got the folder up. Our data folder, or file rather, we can see where we get our counts. And then the rest of these are just, if I wanted to see Beep World Guestbooks, I can open this file and see those. If I wanted to see WordPress, I can see WordPress, and that sort of thing. So now everything is sorted and I have my files. And again, sometimes you'll hear these things referred to as a CMS, like content management system. In Scrapebox, it calls it a platform. And so that is how you can check platform or CMS popularity, percentages, counts, and that sort of thing, as far as what is compatible with Fast Poster and Contact Form Poster, or any other platforms that you train in yourself. If you don't have Scrapebox, click the link up here now, or go to scrapebox.com, and you can roll down here and pick up your copy. And if you miss it, it's in the video description down below. Thanks for watching this Scrapebox video. For more Scrapebox videos, click the subscribe button down below and then click the bell. And then check out these other great Scrapebox videos.